Good morning, students. I welcome you all in today's e-lesson. Today, we are going to start with the chapter Cubes and Cube Roots. In the previous chapter, you have learned how to find the square of a number. Today, you will learn what is the cube of a number. When a number is multiplied by itself 3 times, you get cube of a number. A number raised to the power of 3 is the cube of a number. For example, c multiplied by c multiplied by c is equals to c cube. A multiplied by a multiplied by a is equals to a cube. Similarly, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 2 cube. Let's take a look at the cube of numbers from 1 to 20. 1 cube is equals to 1, 2 cube is equals to 8, 3 cube is equals to 27 by multiplying 3 times. 4 cube is equals to 64. 5 cube is equals to 125. Similarly, we find out the cube of other numbers also. Now observe the ending digits of these numbers. Which digits do you see? What can we say about the cube of even? What can we say about the cubes of even numbers? Yes, cube of even number is always even. Same way, what about the cube of odd numbers? Yes, cube of odd numbers is always odd. Now, evaluate the given expression. 1 minus 1 cube is equals to minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by minus 1, which is equals to minus 1 into minus 1 become plus 1 multiplied by minus 1 is equals to minus 1. Let's have another expression. Minus 2 cube, which is equals to minus 2 into minus 2 will become plus 4 multiplied by minus 2, it will become minus a. Hence, in all these examples, we found that cube of negative number is negative and the cube of positive number is always positive. Now, can we check that given number is a perfect cube? We cannot judge the given number from its units place as we did in the square of a number. We can come to know by using prime factorization method. Let's get this topic clear with the help of an example. We have a number 2744 and we have to check whether it is a perfect cube or not. In the previous video, we have already explained you how to find the prime factors of the given number. So here we find out the prime factors of the given number. Very first, it will go with the prime number 2 and the answer is coming out after with division 1372. Similarly, we find out the another factors of the given number. Therefore, the prime factors of 2744 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. Since the given factors can be represented in the form of triplets, means we make the group of 3 numbers, that is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 will become one group. Similarly, 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 will become the another group. Therefore, given number, that is 2744, is a perfect cube. Let's take a look at another example. Is 243 is a perfect cube? Again, we find the prime factors of the given number. So, the prime factors of the given number are 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. In the above factorization, 3 multiplied by 3 are left after grouping the 3's in triplets. So, means this group is left ungrouped. So, therefore, 243 is not a perfect cube. Just like square have square root, cubes have cube root also. Means a cube root is inverse operation of cubing of a number. Means 2 cube is equals to 8. The cube root of 8 will become 2. Similarly, cube of 3 is equals to 27 and the cube root of 27 is equals to 3. Here we have the symbol of cube root. So, we can say cube root of 8 is equals to 2, cube root of 64 is equals to 4. Now, we will come to know how we can find out the cube root of a number. Observe the given table. In this table, we have perfect cubes and the cube root of the number. Like 1 is a perfect cube and the cube root of 1 is 1. 8 is a perfect cube and the cube root of 8 is 2. 27, again another perfect cube and the cube root of 27 is 3. You can observe now the unit place of the cube number, that is 1. Unit place of the cube root of the given number, 1. The cube root of this number is equals to 1. 27 ending with 7, that means the cube root of this number will be ending with 3. 64 ending with 4, the cube root of this number will be ending with 4. Similarly, 5 ending with 5, 6 ending with 6 and so on. Now, we will find the cube root of the given number by using the prime factorization method. I have a number 2744. Just now, we calculated the prime factors of the number 2744, which is equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. The very first step, we make their triplets. Out of the each triplet, we pick the number, that is 2. Then another triplet, we find out another number, that is 7. Now we will multiply them and we will get 2 multiplied by 7 is equals to 14. Therefore, cube root of 2744 is equals to 14. That's all. Thank you and have a nice day.